Good morning, this is part 2 of the Technic Volvo excavator build. This is set 42215 Volvo EC500 Hybrid Excavator. Part 2 covers bags 4 through 7. We start building the superstructure and then the gearbox. And then we finish off with the battery compartment and motor. Nothing too tedious or difficult in the next 4 bags. It was pretty neat. I really enjoyed the gearbox when you see it coming up. It was pretty slick how everything worked together. It was my first motorized set, so big learning curve for me. It was so much fun. Overall, this series, I have 8 hours of video spread across 16 bags. So I'll try to condense it down as best I can over 4 parts. Enjoy the next couple bags. I'll come back at the gearbox. Bag 5 is where we start really getting the gearbox and all the clutches assembled. It took me a little bit to figure out the process and how this assembly works, but it's pretty ingenious with the gear selector and all the different clutches and gears. Here we are starting to really get into the different drives and gears. Here we are assembling the 2 different actuators. I believe these control the up and down or height of the boom. Here we are starting to build all the gear selectors and gearbox part of it. This part was really neat how it all works together. Now we're going to start building the different drives and gear selectors that engage different parts of the actuators. The movements are boom up, down, extend, retract, and then move the bucket open or closed. There's no motorized function for the tracks or rotating the whole superstructure. But it's pretty ingenious. Those little gray pieces slide forward and back to engage or disengage the gears, which moves the actuators. This was the most difficult part of the whole build. It made it look easy, but it was about 15 minutes of struggle getting everything aligned and getting it to finally slide in. The power of editing. It's a shame we cover up most of all the gears and everything with the structure, but they need to come out with a gearbox that's open so you can actually see the function of it, because it is pretty slick how it works. And now we're going to start building the top cover for the gear selector switches. And this is what a little lever rides along, so you can make different selections. Oh, and the sticker sheet. Forgot all about the stickers. Not too many stickers, which was great. They just added just enough touch to make it look good and pop, but it wasn't overwhelming. As you can see, it wasn't very many stickers at all, so kudos to them for that. There's a sticker for each function: boom up, down, extend, move the bucket. You can see that little red lever will slide and engage or disengage those gray clutches beneath it. There we go, putting it on. The fourth function is a unlock of the attachment, so you can unlock the bucket and change it, or unlock the power hammer and change it. And here we are going to finish off part 2 with the battery compartment and motor install. Battery compartment takes 4 AA batteries. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. We'll catch you next time for part 3. Have a great morning.